Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can calculate percent change as well as the percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see we have a company XYZ and we have to calculate percent change in its profit over the years from 2021 to 2023. Percent change for any item can be calculated by taking two values. Final value minus the initial value divided by the initial value multiplied with 100. Let me demonstrate it over here. Here we are going to calculate the percent change in profit from 2021 to 2023. So we can write is equal, bracket start, this is the final value minus this is the value in 2021, that is the initial value, bracket close, divided by the initial value, and let's multiply it with 100. Multiply 100, press enter, and there you go. You can see there was an increase of 50% in the profit of this company XYZ over the year 2021 to 2022. Let's do the same for the year 2022 to 2023, applying a slightly different method. Again, we'll write is equal. This is our final value, bracket start. This is our final value minus this is going to be our initial value, bracket close, divided by the initial value. And this time we'll press enter, and now highlight it and go into this tab number, and right over here you can see percentage option. Click over it, and there you can see minus 60%. This means there was a loss of 60% in the profit of this company over the year 2022 to 2023, and which you can check it directly right from here as well. So this is how you can calculate the percent change in the value of something. Now let's see how we can calculate the percentage of the total sales. Let's assume the same company has a sales of $20,000 in South Asia and $30,000 in Middle East, and the total sales comes out to be 50,000. Let's calculate the percentage contribution to the $50,000 from the South Asia as well as from the Middle East. Percentage of the total can be calculated simply by dividing the value of our interest by the total value and then multiplying it with 100. Let me show you. Is equal, bracket start, 20,000, bracket close, again divided by the total sales, and these are the total sales. Let me again use bracket start, 50,000, bracket close, and let's multiply it with 100, and there you go, 40%. And over here I will use the other method that I have used in the percent change from 2021 to 2023. So we'll write is equal, value of our interest divided by the total value, and press enter, and let's multiply it with percentage, and there you go. 60% contribution come from Middle East and 40% from South Asia. That's how you can calculate the percent contribution to our total value. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have found it useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.